We're gonna spray paint this Eid poster with only a toothbrush. Let's get started. First, we prep our table. This can get kind of messy. So materials that we need for our poster, we're gonna use some liquid watercolor. You can use any paint that you like. Just add a little bit of water to it to thin it out. You're gonna need an old toothbrush, some double-sided tape, watercolor paper, or any kind of thicker kind of paper, and then your stencil for your poster. So the first step is we are going to make a negative space on our poster by taping down the part of the stencil that we cut out. When we do the spray painting, we're gonna splatter all around our stencil, and then when we lift it up, it'll be white underneath and painted all around it. This can get a little messy, so if you want to wear gloves, you can. I'm just going to get messy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your toothbrush, make sure it's not the one that you currently use, and you're going to dip it in one color to make sure you get it all soaked. And then you're going to take your thumb and you're just going to flick the bristles, get right up close to where your stencil is. Go all the way around. And this is like a spray painting technique. Or you can call it a splatter. Okay, and try another color. Make sure that you get really close to the edge of your stencil. Make sure you don't use this toothbrush after you finish. How do you know when you're done? Well, in this particular poster, I want to make sure that I don't have any white space. And the reason for that is because I want my masjid to stand out. My mosque is going to be white, and so I want the background to be all full of color. Okay, so now we're going to let that dry. Oh, let's go see how the poster turned out. Wow. Subhanallah. So why don't you try it yourself and show us what you made?
Looking for more fun activities? Check out the Muslim Treehouse.
Twice a week, we have live programs with over 5,000 Muslim kids from all across the world. The best part? You can pay whatever you want to join. Don't miss out. Go to noorkids.com/treehouse and join us.